Hi guys, so come with me to LCC Lekki Conservation Center in Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. So this is me on my way driving down to LCC, and Lagos State. I think it's on a Saturday, so the traffic is not so much, Lagos and traffic. So I enjoyed my ride, I was just the only one, and I enjoyed my ride down to LCC Lagos, Nigeria. Now, LCC holds the longest canopy walk in Africa. So when I got there, I had to. It was so crowded. I don't know. Then I got my ticket, and this cost me like 6,000 naira. Normally it should be 1,005. I don't know what happened. Then I joined my own group. So here now we have to walk down to the canopy walk. It was so crowded. If I had known, trust me, if I had known, I wouldn't have visited this day. It was still festive period, so it was so crowded. The walk was long, the queue was long, and I had fun actually. So I had fun. So join me in this adventure to LCC. I hope you enjoy it. Sir? Take care, sir. Some extent. So wait to access to canopy walk, the longest canopy walk in Africa. Yeah, so everything you see there are just the warning signs, no music. This is how the caution of the canopy walk, if you can read it, this normal rules and regulation, which I advise you adhere to. It was, so this is my group. I joined my group. We are a group of 7. Just to minimize I think they minimize the weight on it itself. So it was 3 up, 3 down, 6 tower altogether. 3 up, 3 down. So 1. Be able to hold something. Okay, this is tower 2. I think we still have many more to go. I don't know, but yeah, canopy 2, tower 2 done. These are my people. We see from this place now, it's a point of no return. The tower 2, you can tell, point of no return. This is tower 3. We are almost done. Oh fuck, sorry for my language.
Yeah.
It's the third tower. I think we are 70,000 feet above the ground now. So after this now we have 3 more to go down. This is 73, yeah, 20. The wish making tower. Yeah. This is literally, and this is the wish making tower.
Alright guys.
Okay.
I think we should keep moving.
You can go now. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, sure. This is this is the 4th one. We are approaching the 4th tower. We don't know what it's named, but we'll find out when we get there. So see you there. So we are at the end of the 4th tower. Now we are 49 feet below. This is okay. Helsinki tower 5. So Okay, so this is 15 meters below ground. Okay, I think this is the fifth. We're approaching the sixth tower. Still the same. And then I noticed something. You can come with your marker. At the end of each tower, you can write your name. Like I was there. I think I did something similar when I went to Ginger Town, the source of River Nile. I had my name written there to show that I was there. So notice this when you're coming, come with your marker, permanent marker, just to, append your signature to show that you're here. So this is I think the fifth, yeah, before the last one. So the last one shouldn't be this swingy, yeah. So okay, I'll show you where people write their names and all of those things now. This is anyway. This one's on the jump. Okay, so we have people. Wow. So this is where people write their names. This is the sixth tower, 24 feet below ground. I think this is the last one. Yeah. Then we go to the family park, where we have the chess game and all of other things. So this is where people have their names. Chico was here. I don't know who Chico is. Okay, Nifemi was here. Yeah. Automatic here now is the family park. The family park has, games for kids, adult games, kids games, and depends on what you want. They have this big chess game that shows human-sized chess game. Fish pond, etc. So this is just a solo trip to Lekki Conservation Center here in Lagos, which happens to hold the longest canopy walk in Africa. It's about 73 feet. Yeah, I think so. That's the longest in Africa. So it's a place you can visit if you want to. It's worth visiting, and you're gonna enjoy it. Trust me. Has a lot of the serene environment, gives this ultimate search kind of vibes. So yeah, see you at the family park. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like my videos, and share. Travel with Michael King, where we explore the beauty of nature together. We have multiple upcoming trips together, but for now we are doing Lagos, Lekki Conservation Center here in Lagos, Nigeria. See you at the family park. It's not so busy though. This part looks kind of looks a bit quiet. I don't know why, but this is the family park. Has a lot to do, but one thing is for sure: no smoking. The family park closes by 5:30, but no smoking. Do not feed the monkeys. They have what's this thing called? Is it trapoli or something? I don't know. Also, they have game for kids. I think all these are here because it's festive period. So then they have a place you can play your basketball. You can try your basketball skill over there. A lot of this here now. You can't test for free, you know, buy. The chairs this is cool. You can come here to have a short picnic with your love. I have what's it called? The Ludo. I have so many places where you can relax. You really enjoy this place if you come in group. Yeah, I think. As for solo trip, I would not recommend this place, but if you come in group, table tennis, there is not a boat somewhere down there. And this is for so this is the basketball games center. Remember this monkey pose? More gonna do this. Okay, so we have the basketball. I'll try and see if I still if I still got it. So, okay, let me try if I can still nail some this thing. Sincerely, okay. This basketball thing is not as easy as it looks. I think I could only I only had a clean shot about 2 or 3 or so out of. I think I know laugh as well, but it's not as easy as you think. If you think it's easy, then come and let's give it a try. And see me laughing at myself. But I really had some fun. It's nice. So that's the game center for the kids. They have so many fun activities here for the kids actually. It's nice. There are a lot of improvements like not like I was here before. So and this are still here. Just that the
And it is not even catching.
This is a tilapia fish. That's a plenty.
back.
Draft.
Yep, that's a draft. I don't think I even know how to play this game. These monkeys are actually babies. They look. I don't know what happened to all the big monkeys that we used to know, but well, it's for them. They know best. So yeah, I tried to I tried to climb like ultimate search and everything. Trust me, I don't know who sent me. I think I could not finish this, or I did. Then there was a point we got confused. We don't know where else to go or where it leads to. I think the other hand has no dropping point, so I had to like come back again, go through the same process. Yeah, I was panting like, hey, I cannot go forward. But it's fun, it's fun to go out and have some fun, just explore and see the beauty of nature here in Lagos, Nigeria, my home country.